Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to add your PayPal payment button in your web app inside Hostinger Horizons. First, log in to your account. Click on Websites and select Websites list. I don't know which app I will work on. So I think, let's see, this is a budget tracker app. This is not published. These new apps are not published yet. So what I will do, I will create a web app from scratch. Create me an image compressor web app with free features and paid ones. And this is the result of this prompt. The image compressor tool called image shrink. It compresses images without losing quality. First, let's test the core feature of this web app, which is compressing images. So I will upload this nature photo from my computer. As you can see, the photo size is 258 kilobyte. So I will give it to this tool. This is the image details, how much quality I want to compress, the max and also the width. And as you can see, these are the premium features. So click on compress photo. This is the original size and this is the size after reduction. This is a very good app. Click on download. Now let's see, this is the original with the original size, which is 258 kilobytes, and this is the compressed one with only 107 kilobytes. So the core feature is working great. Now let's add a PayPal button, or let's enable PayPal payments for the premium features. Now my prompt will be something like, for example, okay, I want to start receiving payments for the premium features using PayPal. These are my info. And now go to PayPal to this address, which is developer.paypal.com. You can even look for it on Google like that and access the first result. You will land on the same page. Now log into your PayPal button, to your PayPal account. Now scroll down a little bit and click on PayPal checkout. Make sure to toggle this option to go live. Then click on add sandbox credentials. Then click on show next to client secret. And now copy the first code, or let's client, which is the client ID, and give it to Hostinger Horizon. client ID, go back to the PayPal developer dashboard and copy the second code, which is the client secret. And now add your client secret. Click on now, click on enter and wait a moment. Now let's preview the updated web app. Let's click on upgrade to premium. As you can see, I forgot to mention the plans, but it's hosting Horizon gives it a reasonable price, which is for 4.99 per month. This is the premium features. Let's pay with PayPal, and as you can see, this is the PayPal payment button, and also you can also receive credit card payments using PayPal. Let's click on PayPal. And as you can see, I can pay with PayPal. So I will not continue this because I, I don't need it. I will go back to the payment options and click on continue with demo. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called Mastering Hostinger Horizons today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger Horizons. You will see what is Hostinger Horizons exactly. Then we will see what's the difference between web apps and websites or mobile apps. You will also see how to sign up and access the Horizon dashboard, the possibilities and restrictions inside Horizons, also mobile editing and FAQ. After that, and inside building your first web app, I will share with you how to create web apps like a budget app, a recipe app, or even a travel organizer. And we will also see in-depth examples like how to create a community web app or even a habits tracker or a fitness web app. After that, I will share with you how to publish your web app by connecting it to a domain, a subdomain, also SEO settings to start getting traffic from Google or search engines. Then we will jump to advanced features and integrations like how to add a database to your web app or even how to test your web app. After that, we will see how to fix common errors, then how to monetize your web app by accepting credit card payments or promote your own web app. If you want to get access to all of this plus my other online courses today for free, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. I landed on a black screen which needs to be fixed with a prompt. For example, for the welcoming page or the landing page after a successful payment should be something like your payment is complete or something like that. I've just refreshed the website or the web app. As you can see, the premium is active now. So now if I scroll down or let's try to compress the same image, and now I can use the premium features. And this is how to integrate PayPal with Hostinger Horizons. Just give it your client ID and client secret from your PayPal developer dashboard. That's all for this video. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and see you in the next video.